Taking the bulb out of the Panasonic here, PT-AE4000. Pretty easy. All you got to do is, it looks solid, but you reach around. Let's first undo the power. Up here, you'll see there's a little groove. Fold it down. This kind of just pops down like so. You can get the cover out just by reaching up here. You pinch both sides of the tabs, pull down. Same with the other side. And then, last but not least, you have this security cord that's hanging here. And it's meant so you can just let it hang down like that. And then, let's show you if we can show you there. Yeah, just got to pull on this tab. So I'm going to put this down, and all you're going to do, pull on that little plastic tab, and that will remove this cover. If you look up at the bulb, you will see 1, 2, 3 screws. Take out the 3 screws there, or at least loosen them so that way they're out. They might have catchers. We'll see. After you pop out those 3 screws, all you do is pull back. You should be able to slide that bulb right out. After that cover's out of the way, slide this back and pull down on that. So pull here and then pull down on the bulb, and the bulb will slip out. Take the bulb, make it so it looks at you, and then you just got to slide it in the groove and straight up. You might have to pull that unlock as you do it, but yeah, like I said, just follow the groove and slide it right up. After that, go ahead and pop those 2 clips back on and slide that little plastic piece back in. And the cover, when you put it in, there's 2 little hooks. So it hooks in the front, and then you squeeze in the back. So it'll be on an angle like this. You'll hook it in and then snap it up. Another thing that I would highly suggest you do, grab right here, squeeze down and pull out that filter. Vacuum it out from there or replace it. If you know a place where you can replace it, please go ahead and do so. Press menu, option, lamp run time, hold enter for 3 seconds. Okay.